Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the mulching blade on your Troy-Bilt lawn mower, you will need a 5/8" socket, a torque wrench, and a blade removal tool. Before you begin the procedure, make sure the engine has cooled. We also recommend there be little or no fuel in the tank. For safety, detach the ignition coil wire from the spark plug to prevent the engine from accidentally starting. Now tip the lawn mower back and use a weight to hold the handle assembly down. Use a wood block or the blade removal tool to secure the blade. Use the 5/8" socket to unthread the bolts securing the blade adapter and blade. Remove the old blade and set the mounting plate aside. You're now ready to install the new mulching blade. With the cutting edge facing downward, align the new blade on the adapter. Position the mounting plate and thread the bolt. Use the torque wrench to torque the bolt to manufacturer's specifications to fully secure the blade. Then remove the wood block or the blade removal tool. Remove the weight and return the lawnmower to its upright position. Reattach the ignition coil wire to the spark plug. Refill the fuel tank if necessary, and your lawnmower should be ready for use.